Craving that Pottery Barn cozy vibe, but don't know where to start with soft whites and natural oak? What if your home could feel this effortlessly warm and American chic right now? Morning light spills across the oak floor, and you can almost hear the soft shuffle of shoes as someone steps inside, unwinding from the day. The console catches simple, beautiful objects: a ceramic bowl for keys, a branch in a glass vase, a candle waiting for evening. The foyer feels like a soft hello, not a grand performance. Everything here whispers, "You're home. Slow down for a second." This formal living room feels like a space designed for actual living, not just looking at. The linen sofa invites you to sink in deep. The oak coffee table holds real books you've been meaning to read, and that brass chandelier catches the daylight just right. Layers of cream, sage, and taupe keep it soothing without being boring. It's elegant, yes, but also wonderfully, genuinely comfortable. Picture lazy Sunday afternoons here. Kids sprawled with books, someone napping under a throw blanket, daylight streaming across that soft gray sectional. The family room doesn't try to be fancy, it just wants you to stay a while. Oak shelves hold pottery you've collected over the years. The wool rug feels great underfoot, and everything's touchable, livable, real. This is where life actually happens, and it shows in the best way. Gather around this oak farmhouse table, and suddenly every meal feels a little more special, even Tuesday night dinner. Linen chairs invite lingering conversations, the brass pendant casts a warm glow overhead, and French doors let the garden peek in. White wainscoting adds just enough polish without feeling stuffy. It's the kind of dining room where you linger over coffee, where celebrations feel natural and easy. This kitchen feels like the heart of the home, where chopping vegetables becomes meditation and making coffee becomes ritual. White cabinets keep it bright and airy. The oak island grounds the space with warmth, and those brass pendant lights catch your eye without shouting. Subway tiles, marble counters, open shelves displaying your favorite ceramics. It's classic and timeless, practical and beautiful. You'd never want to leave this room. Tucked just off the kitchen, this butler's pantry is quietly brilliant. Storage that actually makes sense. Oak shelves displaying your nicest dishes. Prep space that doesn't fight for attention. It's the kind of thoughtful room that makes entertaining feel easier, where everything has a place and nothing's showy. Brass hardware and white quartz keep it cohesive with the rest of the house. Simple and perfectly functional. Morning light floods this breakfast nook, and suddenly you're not rushing through cereal anymore. You're actually sitting down, breathing, noticing the day starting gently. The built-in bench wraps you in linen comfort. The round oak table feels intimate, and those Roman shades filter sunlight into something golden and soft. It's a tiny corner that somehow makes every morning feel more intentional, more yours. Working from this oak desk bathed in natural light almost makes deadlines feel manageable. Books line the floating shelves, ceramics add quiet personality, and the linen chair supports long hours without complaint. It's a focused space that still feels warm, where concentration comes easier because everything around you feels calm and intentional. You'd actually want to spend time here, even on tough work days. This master bedroom feels like a deep breath at the end of a long day. Soft whites, muted blues, oak nightstands holding just what you need. The linen headboard invites you to settle in with a book, layered bedding promises real comfort, and daylight through woven blinds wakes you gently. It's serene without being cold, simple without being boring. Exactly the retreat you need. Storage that doesn't feel like storage. This walk-in closet makes organization almost pleasurable. White cabinetry keeps everything visible and accessible. The oak-topped island holds your folded favorites, and brass hardware adds just enough polish. Natural light softens the space, greenery adds life, and suddenly getting dressed feels less like a chore, more like choosing from a curated boutique you actually love. Even the kids' room maintains the home's calm, cohesive vibe while still feeling playful and theirs. Twin oak beds, soft blue striped quilts, natural light streaming across that cream rug. It's youthful without being chaotic, fun without clashing with the rest of the house. Storage baskets keep the clutter at bay, and the whole space feels like childhood wrapped in gentle, timeless design. Your guests will feel genuinely welcomed here, in a room that's neutral and soothing without being impersonal. The linen headboard, layered white bedding, oak nightstands, it all says rest well, you're taken care of. That reading chair by the window invites slow mornings with coffee, and the whole space feels like a quiet embrace, thoughtfully designed for comfort and hospitality. Movie night gets an upgrade here, where deep recliners in warm gray linen and oak armrests meet serious screen time without sacrificing the home's cohesive aesthetic. Acoustic panels keep it functional, cream carpeting softens the space, and blackout shades mean daytime movies are totally doable. It's entertainment that still feels refined, cozy without being over the top, perfectly Pottery Barn even in the theater room. Step outside, and the Pottery Barn vibe doesn't stop. It just breathes deeper. Oak decking flows from the French doors, linen-look outdoor cushions invite lazy afternoons, and that white-painted pergola filters sunlight into dappled patterns. Ceramic planters, teak coffee table, woven rugs. It's an outdoor extension that feels every bit as thoughtfully designed, where indoor comfort meets fresh air and garden views. This tour proves timeless comfort lives in thoughtful layers, soft whites hugging honey oak, natural light making every space yours. Carry that cozy essence home. It's simpler than you think.